Chris, it's been 6 months since you moved into this fabulous new headquarters in Warwickshire for Sodick Europe, but tell me a little bit about the overall portfolio of products that you're offering in Europe, but also worldwide.
Yeah, so Sodick, obviously traditionally known for EDM, wire EDM, EDM dicing, EDM fast hole drill. We're now capable of selling high-speed machining centres and high-performance injection moulding machines, as well as the OPM machines, which is the sintering and milling technology. So really the whole portfolio of Sodick has expanded now. That's going to allow us to reach out to more customers. We've got a beautiful new facility here, £7 million. It's a Sodick Europe facility, but that means that people from not only the UK but anywhere around Europe can come and see demonstrations and trials, and we can do training courses for salesmen and application engineers here as well. So we really are set up here now as the headquarters in Europe.
And over and above the portfolio that you have, these machines behind us is more bespoke for each customer's needs. In other words, you're actually offering the assembly side. And I understand that these machines are actually going to a well-known aerospace manufacturer in the UK.
That's correct, yeah. Big blue chip aerospace company. They placed a large order with us that were slightly non-standard machines in order to suit their aerospace application. The factory did do some of the modifications for us, and we're very lucky here that we have a skilled set of service and application engineers, so we can do the final modifications here in the UK, in Warwick, and then they'll be shipped out to an aerospace company up in Scotland later this week.
Well, it just shows you how buoyant the UK is, but also worldwide on the aerospace side. But one thing I want to ask you, really, Chris, is that when you look at the global market for Sodick, with the portfolio of different products that you've actually got, is business good worldwide?
I believe so, yeah. Obviously there are slow markets globally, but I think generally, because of the increased portfolio of Sodick, there are all of the agents and dealers who are selling Sodick have got now products to sell, so they don't necessarily have to rely on EDM. Particularly, they can go out now and sell moulding machines or high-speed machining centres. So, yeah, it just adds to the sales ability and the traction of Sodick in the global market.
And when you look at this facility, lastly, talking about investment, I mean, £7 million in this facility servicing Europe when there is global turn down in certain markets, but obviously it's a legacy as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it shows Sodick's commitment to the industry generally, that they can invest money. Certainly, everybody's been talking about Brexit, and there's lots of talk about MPs and politicians at the minute. It's great to see that Japan have ignored all that, and they see the ability and the trust that we've got here in the UK, and and they've shown a bit of faith in the UK market as well as the European market, and said we're going to do it anyway.
I suppose in a way it's future-proofing, and looking at the machines going to obviously one customer, obviously a great order. Aerospace is busy, and good times for Sodick.
Yeah, I think aerospace is busy. A lot of the high-end markets seem to be busy, and that's where Sodick kind of pin their colours. They do chase that higher end market now. Your Formula Ones and your aerospaces and your automotive. So yeah, it's good to see that there's a bit of buoyancy out there in those markets.